Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple part-time job ideas you can actually start with low investment and how each one can realistically make you money in dollars, plus the platforms you can use to get started. First, selling homemade food on Facebook Marketplace or local groups. Sounds strange, right? But if you can cook, you already have a part-time job. People are constantly looking for home-cooked meals, snacks, or lunch boxes because they want something cheaper and more authentic than restaurants. You start by posting clear photos of your food, a simple menu, and delivery options. The main platforms here are Facebook Marketplace, local Facebook groups, and even Instagram or WhatsApp status for direct orders. You can do this after work or on weekends from your home kitchen. Depending on consistency and demand, you can make around $10 to $50 per day at the beginning. Second, Airbnb hosting. You don't need a luxury apartment. Even a spare room can become a part-time income source. The main platform here is Airbnb. People use it for short stays, business trips, or travel. You just need a clean space, basic furniture, and good photos. You manage bookings in your free time, after work, or during weekends. If your location is near a city or tourist area, it becomes much stronger. A single room can generate around $200 to $800 per month, sometimes more in high-demand areas. Third, snack vending machines. This one works well as a side hustle. It requires some initial savings but becomes semi-passive over time. You place a vending machine in strategic locations like schools, gyms, offices, or residential buildings. To get started, you can find opportunities or suppliers through Google Maps, local business listings, or contacting vending machine suppliers directly online. Once installed, you manage it part-time by restocking it regularly. A well-placed machine can make around $100 to $500 per month. Fourth, baking business. If people already ask you to bake cakes or desserts, this can become a strong part-time job. You can start from home during evenings or weekends. The platforms that help you grow are Instagram for showcasing your work, Facebook Marketplace for local sales, and even delivery apps depending on your country. Birthday cakes, cupcakes, and pastries are always in demand. Beginners can make around $5 to $20 profit per order, and it can scale to $300 to $1,500 per month with regular clients. Fifth, car washing service. This is one of the simplest part-time jobs to start. You don't need much equipment, just basic cleaning supplies. You can work weekends or after your main job. To find customers, you can use Facebook Marketplace, local WhatsApp groups, Google Maps outreach to nearby offices, or even TikTok and Instagram to post before and after videos. You can also partner with parking areas or offices. Earnings range from $10 to $40 per car, and it can become a solid extra income with multiple clients per day. These are not magic ideas, but real part-time jobs people are already using to earn extra money. The key is execution, not the idea itself.